I can tell you about how to brew and of autumn. Okay? Please prepare boiled water. Tea. Japanese tea. Hot. Prepare 3 cups. Super boiled water. 98 degrees. Chili. 5 grams. 6 grams. 6.4 grams. Put into the Kyoto. Boiled water. Open. Check. Tea leaf. Brew. When you're brewing, please check tea color. So light yellow and taste is right. Dark yellow, it tastes very very dark. Finally, golden drop. Please drink it. Oh, nice, so cool. Very nice.
Thank you for watching the video today with Crazy Akky, our president, and it was all about Autumn Sencha production. And we really appreciate all your help and support, and this wouldn't have been possible without our Tea Club members. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.